Hello everyone, welcome back to channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use the Google Chrome app, one of the fastest and most secure web browsers on mobile device. Google Chrome is a free web browser developed by Google. It's used by billions of people worldwide browse the internet. With the Chrome app, you can open websites, watch videos, download files, sync your bookmarks and history across devices. It is fast, secure and packed with smart features. Now to use it, first you need to download your app. So go to the App Store, then search Google Chrome at your search bar, and once this icon pops up, tap on that. So you'll have the install option right here. So tap on install and then open up your app. You'll see a simple home screen with the search bar. Tap the address bar and type what you're looking for, like how to go pasta or a website like www.media.org. Tap the address bar here at the top of your page and type what you're looking for, like how to cook something or how to wear something like that. Or you can also visit any website, then tap the arrow or go to visit the page. You can also use voice search by tapping the microphone icon, then tap the tabs icon at the bottom of your page besides the plus icon. Tap on the tabs icon to see all your open tabs, or tap the plus icon to open a new tab, then swipe tabs left or right to close them, then tap the three dot menu in the top right corner, then tap new incognito tab. This lets you browse without saving history, cookies or searches. Tap the three dots again to bookmark favorite pages, view your history, open downloads. Bookmarks are saved under the bookmarks menu and you can sync them with a Google account. Then go to settings to change your default search engine, clear browsing data, turn on safe browsing, sync with your Google account to access history and password on other devices. On Android, hold the Chrome app icon to quickly open new tabs, incognito tabs, or start a voice call. And that is how you can use the Google Chrome app. Fast, simple and secure web browsing from your phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.